Hello, welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom. And today we're going to cook some, going to fry us up some chicken tenderloins here, or chicken tenders, however you want to say it. And for our recipe, we're going to use this, I can't believe it's not butter spray. We're going to use this 4C breadcrumbs. I'm going to use a little bit of Parmesan cheese, some Lawry's poultry and chicken and poultry rub, a little salt, a little pepper. And so let's get started with it and see how it's going to turn out. I bet it turns out good, don't you? We'll be back in a minute. Okay, now if I forgot to tell you, this is Purdue Harvest Land chicken tenderloins here. And it's supposed to be free range, you know, and boneless and 99% fat free. And so let's get them out of the wrapper and see what they look like over here. They look good right here in this package. Let's see, how many do we have? Okay, well, we've got 7 of these bad boys in here. Now, the trouble with handling this chicken like this, you have to wash your hands about every 5 minutes. So, and you know, there's nothing much more important right now, especially washing your hands. So, wash your hands and clean off the countertop around all your chicken and stuff. And so we'll lay this aside for now. Okay, now I've got these all washed up and cleaned up a little bit, but you see that little piece right there? I hate that little piece. I try to cut it out of all the ones that I can, as much as I can. Sometimes you can't get most of it, or some of it, but do as much as I can with it without losing so much chicken. Seems like it stays. They don't get it out of any of them, so. And it's not just Purdue, it's the other brands too. Of course, if that don't bother you, you can leave it in yours. I just don't like it in ours. So I'll be back when I finish that. Okay, and last but not least, I'm going to spread these out on this plate. Pretty good here. And I'm going to take this, I can't believe it's not butter spray, and spray on them. Alright, now, we'll take this Lawry's chicken and poultry rub here. Sprinkle on them just like that. Okay, now this I'm not going to mess with too much except for just to turn it over. I'll turn them all over. We'll spray them down with the, I can't believe it's not butter again. And some more Lawry's. Alright, now that's looking pretty good there. Okay, now here in this bowl I'm going to take and just shake out some of these breadcrumbs. Now you know you have to put in about as much as you think you need for your chicken, you know. I mean, breadcrumbs are not the most expensive thing in the world, so it's not going to hurt to get carried away with them. And the Parmesan cheese. Alright, now we'll come over here and we're going to get a piece of this chicken. No, I'm not. I almost messed up, see. First thing I gotta do is spread this all around, and I'm not even finished anyway. You know, I always get to where I forget the, the salt and the pepper. So, okay, you don't like it real hot, so just a little bit of pepper. Now, a little bit of salt. I'll mix them up a little bit again. All right, now. Now we'll take a piece of this chicken and we'll put it over here in this panko. Now this, once I get it over here, now I'll push this in pretty good. Because when I pick it up, I want it to stay on there. Alright, now we'll take it and bring it right over here. Shake off the excess a little bit. Bring it over here and we'll set it right down in the FOODi DELUXE. Now we'll do another one. We'll shake it off a little bit and set it right over here. Just set it right down there like that. Now I'll be back when I get the rest of them in there. Okay, now I don't know if y'all can count them or not, but all 7's down in there. And they're a little tight, but it's going to be just fine. That's going to be great. So let me move the camera over so we can move this pot and get it started. Okay, now we're going to shut the lid on this FOODi DELUXE here. We'll turn on the power. It's going to be on air fry. Okay, now this is what it goes to by default when you first turn it on. And it just happens to be that's exactly where I want it to be. Now I don't think it'll ever take 20 minutes to do these, and just about everybody says you have to turn them over, but I'm going to tell you right now, in the FOODi DELUXE, where that air circulates up and under that pan and everything, I don't think we're going to have to do anything to them except check them, see when they're done, and take them out and eat them. So anyway, now it's set, like I said, it's set where I want it. 390 for 20 minutes, so you go hit the start button. And there it goes. And so, while you've got a chance, if you can, join our channel and give us a thumbs up. We sure appreciate it. And thank you very much for all you people that watches our videos. It means a lot to us. And we'll be back. Well, we've got just a second here. I've got this Lysol spray here, and that's why I always clean my counters with, especially after chicken and stuff like that. So you know, whatever you do, make sure you clean your countertops down, because that stuff will cross-contaminate something, you know. So just to be on the safe side, clean it with something you know it's going to kill the germs. Okay, while we're waiting for the chicken, I got out my Ninja Max here, my standalone air fryer. Just going to put some 4-ounce fries in it, so we'll have something to go along with our chicken. About like that. Now this thing slides in easier than any air fryer you'll ever have to go to. Alright, you put it on air fry, and we'll put the temperature up at 390, and the time, we'll bring it down to 12 minutes, and then we'll hit the start button. There that goes. Now, everything should be done just about the same time. Famous last words. Okay, now I'm going to check on these fries real quick. They haven't been in there that long, but I'm going to tell you right now they're almost ready to take out. And we'll have to stay in there much longer. But you see how easy that door slid back in there? It's the only air fryer I've ever seen where the door comes in and out that easy. Okay, now these still have a little over 4 minutes left. But I'm not going to let them stay in there any longer. I just want to show them to you before I took them out. Because I've already took one out to eat it, just to make sure it was done, and it is. So let me get these out of here real quick. Okay, now there you have it, folks. That's about it for this little video, but doesn't that look beautiful chicken right there? And like I said, I already ate one of them, so I know it's real good. But we're going to have it with this Chipotle ranch and this vinaigrette, Valderia onion vinaigrette. I'll get it out in a minute. Dressing with it on top of those, or in those, go use it for dipping sauce. That's what we're going to do. And so until next time, y'all have a real good and safe day. Come back and see us real soon. And thanks again for watching our video. If you can, give us a thumbs up and join our channel. So until next time, goodbye now.